Hey everyone, and welcome to another video with the Yogi Roll. We are going to work a lymph massage. Um, Try this before bed, right? If you find yourself snoring, do this before bed, and you should have a better night. In my experience, the snoring went away, right? So for you, it might be different. Um, yeah, try it out, see how it is, and when we're dealing with the lymphatic system, it's between the skin and the muscle, right? The fluid. Um, it's a plasma fluid, right? It has your fats, carbs, proteins, white blood cells, and a bit of other products in it. Um, it can it drains waste from certain areas, right? Maybe you have buildup, so it'll help drain the lymph in that system. It also helps support the immune system. It helps fight infection. So sometimes, like, you could have the best movement practice, best everything, but because of trauma, scar tissue, certain things, certain areas, you just have to do lymph massage yourself, okay, manually, to get that adequate drainage in those areas that you're not going to get through, let's say, the perfect movement practice or whatever. So let's try it out. Do this before bed, and trust me, your snoring should be a lot better, right? You not snoring should be a lot better. So remembering easing off, it's that layer between the skin and the muscle. So sometimes we think we got to push harder. That's getting into the muscle. We want to get into the fluid, right? So starting above the eyebrows in the center, we're moving away. Feel nice and soft. Sometimes you can feel certain and move up. Once we get to about the hairline, start above the eyebrows and then move up again. So yeah, sometimes when you're doing this, you can really feel, like, behind the nose, behind the mouth, those areas, like, really starting to tingle and open up, or fluid going to those areas and making them open up. That's a good sign that you're draining stuff. Let's go a bit further when we go. So to the end of the eyebrows, remembering to sit nice and tall. Breathe in and out of your nose. Nice. We'll start at the bridge of the nose and then move down towards the ends of the cheeks and down your neck. Or let's just go to the cheekbones. Nice and soft. Try to get all fingers engaged. Hopefully you have clean hands. Maybe you feel tingliness through your nose. Let's just go from more the cheek, so right where the eye and the bridge of the nose and the cheek meets, and just go out towards your cheeks. Nice and light. Above at the bridge of the nose again, and then go down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Awesome. We'll make Ys with our hands or fingers. Bring them on each side of your ear and be nice and gentle. Start with your chin down. Bring your chin up as we bring the hands down, the neck, and then finger tips drag. Start down, go up, nice and gentle. Remember to go light. Use all your fingers. Maybe you feel clearing, opening in the back of your throat. Nice. So bring your hand to where the end of your jaw is, and just start to bring your fingers down towards your throat. If you think you're going too deep, you probably are, and to lighten it up, building that awareness of touch and feel, sensitivity as we move our lymph. Other side, end of the jaw, and then move towards the throat. Breathe in, breathe out. So taking your hands now, and then just tapping out above your collarbones. This really drains the lymph, and is that final stage. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice. Release your hands. Tall spine. Breathe in that love and gratitude to yourselves. Breathe out love and gratitude to everyone else. Thank you for joining me with this nice lymph massage. Do it before bed. Get your better sleep. And yeah, let me know how awesome your sleep ended up being. Thanks, and I'll see you for the next one.